Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for a special video today, a premiere with myself and my fellow YouTube artists who are going to be at the Fluid Art Experience this March 14th to the 16th. That time, that day, that event is coming up, my friends, and it is time to get your tickets if you haven't already done so. So as I mentioned, Fluid Art Experience, that is happening March 14th, 15th, and 16th in Dallas, Texas at the Renaissance Hotel. Quick reminder for those of you who are thinking about joining us and attending, you have until February 13th to get your hotel room at a discounted rate. After February 13th, it is regular price. And also don't forget, if you come and take classes, don't forget to book evening entertainment. We've got the gala dinner where you're gonna win, you have a chance to win the raffle prize, which is gonna be one painting from every artist, which is my painting that I'm gonna show you guys today. There's also the meet and greet on the Friday night, I believe. So all kinds of fun stuff happening. Go to www.fluidartexperience.com. What I have here are some of the things I'm gonna be teaching. So first of all, one of the things I'm going to be teaching is resin top coating. So every student in my class is going to get a 10 by 10 inch gallery wrapped canvas. All the pieces are going to be different. Obviously, some have a white base, some have a black base, different colors, different color palettes. So you're going to learn how to use resin, and you're also going to learn how to top coat this little canvas, and then you get to take it home with you. So not only do you get to learn how to resin, but you're also going to take a piece of my art home with you. That's one of the classes I'm teaching. One of the other classes, again, is going to be with resin, and I'm going to be doing an ocean theme on these 10-inch wood panels, and you get a metal stencil turtle, and we're going to use TLP pigments, and we're going to mix them with our resin, and we're going to do a nice ocean themed piece with high tide piggy paste, and that's going to do the waves. And then you're going to slap this baby on, and you're going to have a super cute little abstract turtle piece. So that is another class I will be teaching. A third class I'll be teaching is, of course, the bloom technique. This will be the first time I teach the bloom technique at an FAE event. So I'm super excited to finally get to teach something a little different. You are going to do, not on this big, you're going to do a smaller canvas, but I am going to teach you guys how to do this technique. And we're going to use TLP piggies and all kinds of fun stuff. So that is one of my other classes. So that's 3 classes there. And then my other 3 classes are going to be your typical blowout classes. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. And this piece is going to be the raffle piece for a lucky winner at the gala dinner. All right, so let's get started here today. I'm going to have to speed this up because this only can be a 12 to 15 minute video. I'm doing a color split today. My base is a mixed up concoction that I made of my own. It's just all kinds of blues put together. I don't remember. This paint's been sitting in this jug for, I don't know, 6 months now. And then, of course, I have Titanium White by Amsterdam. Those are my base colors. The colors I'm going to be using to blow out are going to be Paynes Gray by Amsterdam. Then I've got Antique Bronze by DecoArt, which I'm running really low on. Then we've got Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. Then we've got Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. Then we've got Pearl Cream by Arteza. And then we have Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. Those are my colors. If you want to know how I mix my paints for the perfect blowout consistency, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Full tutorial on how I mix my paints. All right, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded. It's been so long since I've done a blowout. I have been doing blooms for like over a month now, if not longer, and I'm having so much fun doing it. And yeah, it's been so long since I've done a blowout. So for those of you who have been saying, oh, can you do a blowout? Because, you know, I've been doing blooms for so long. Here you go. Here's your blowout. All right, so this is DecoArt, so I'm going to be somewhat light-handed with it because we all know how DecoArt likes to take over the rest of the paints. But anywho, I still have a lot to do to get ready for this event. I still have to make a bunch of spinners and ship them off to Texas because that is what my students are going to be using in the bloom class. You're going to be using my spinners and we're going to be doing blooms. I cannot wait. I can't wait to just go away. Last time I was on a plane and away somewhere was Greece last year. So I cannot wait. Even though I'm going and it's work, I'm going a few days early and I'm going to hang out with my favorite boys, the Massey boys, and I'm going to get to hang out with my other favorite people that are going to be there. Kathleen, Sarah, Jessica, Tara, and then I'm going to meet new people. Well, I've already met Amber Goodwin. She's actually next behind me in this premier train. And ouch, something just pinched me. That hurt. But yeah, I'm super excited. Marcy, Mixed Media Girl, Nate, Britta Clayton. Oh my gosh, so many people. So many people. Yeah, that looks great. I'm just gonna do one more strip. But I'm so excited. I can't wait to just go to Texas and go and see my friends. I'm super excited. All right, let's pop the bubbles. I hope I didn't miss anybody's name as I said everyone's name. I don't think I did. All right, let's, oh my gosh, it's been so long. I'm gonna start here. Yeah, let's do it. That felt so incredibly weird for me because the paint was flowing so smoothly and so effortlessly and like really fluidly. Is that even a word? I don't know, but if it's not, I just made it up. It was so fluid compared to the bloom paints that I've been blowing out. It was just, oh my gosh, that was insane. And I haven't lost my touch. This is pretty. Oh, wow. This antique bronze by DecoArt is stunning. Oh, I love the way I blew this out. And I really hope this doesn't go over the edge. I want to try and keep it there to keep everything, you know, perfect. Because only this is over the edge and this is over the edge. So I'd like to keep this matchy-matchy. Oh, wow, I love it. Love it, and there's nothing I want to do to change it. So I am going to touch up my edges, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So before we get to the close-up, it's been a long time since I said this. don't forget to take your stick and scrape your drips. Oh my gosh, it's been months since I've said that. All right, let's check out this beauty. Oh, I'm so happy with this. This is going to be such a beautiful piece to be raffled off at the Fluid Art Experience. Lucky winner is going to get to have this 15 by 30 inch. Let's turn the lights off and check out the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on, and there is my DecoArt coming in and shining through like it always does. This is why I love DecoArt. DecoArt really brings out the cells, really brings out a lot of the shimmer. And then of course I have the Pearl Cream by Arteza in here, Pearl Space Gray. Look at that blue from the Atelier. Blue Black Indigo, such a pretty color. Such a pretty color, lots of shimmer. And there you have it, my friends, the final piece. If I have a chance and it dries and I get to resin it, I'll put it at the end of this video, but I may not. We'll see. But either way, if you are coming to the Fluid Art Experience, you will get to see it in person. And hopefully you'll be lucky enough to win this. So come and join us in Dallas, Texas, March 14th to the 16th. And as I said, www.fluidartexperience.com to get your tickets and book those seats. Time is running out, my friends. All right, that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.